students, welcome to Heritage Public School online class. Today we will learn English grammar and we'll be reading this book, chapter 1, phrases and clauses. Okay, so first we will understand what are phrases and clauses, and the types of phrases and clauses we will study in detail in the next class. Okay, so in today's class we'll be understanding what are phrases and clauses. Today we will learn about phrases. What are phrases? Phrases are generally a group of words which make sense but not complete sense. For example, we have some examples here. Let's see. First phrase is at night, यानी रात में. Second is on the shelf, यानी किसी shelf पर. Next is after 2 days, यानी 2 दिन के बाद. So in every phrase you can see there is some sense, but not complete sense. जैसे कि sentences में होता है complete sense, phrases में complete sense नहीं होता है. To make complete sense, we have to add more words to make a complete sense in a sentence. But here we are talking about phrase, so phrases generally don't make complete sense. Let's see some examples of phrases. Let's see some examples of phrases. Show me how to do it. It was a sunset of great beauty. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. So here you can see these are the group of words that are underlined. They are phrases. How to do it, of great beauty, on a wall. Okay? So generally they begin with preposition or they don't have any verb. So these kinds of group of words, they are called phrases. Next we will learn clauses. So phrase we have learned. Now we will learn clause. What is a clause? Clause is generally forms a part of sentence. So it is not a complete sentence, but it forms a part of sentence. ये एक sentence की तरह अपना sentence में ही एक part बनाता है, but it is different from phrase because it has a subject and a predicate. Now we will understand clause by looking at some examples. Look at this example. We have a sentence here. ये एक complete sentence है जिसमें ये part clause है. Let's read the sentence first, then we will understand. He has a chain which is made of gold. So this part, the underlined part, is clause. How it is clause? Because it has a subject and a predicate. So which here is a subject and is made of gold is predicate. So it cannot be called a phrase because it has a subject. So इसी तरीके से phrase and clause sentence के ही part होते हैं. So phrases and clauses basically इनके ये parts होते हैं, ये types होते हैं, and this we will study in detail in the next chapter. Okay, so the types of phrases are noun phrase, adjective phrase and adverb phrase, and clauses are basically of two types: main or principal clause and subordinate clause. Okay, that's all for today. You have to write some examples in your notebook as assignment of phrase and clause. That's all for today. Rest we will continue in our next class. I hope you enjoyed the class. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.